Welcome to my channel. My name is Clem. We're going to be doing a giveaway of the products that we're using to all of our subscribers. At the end of the video, I'll explain how. In this video, we're going to show you 3 easy ways on how to start a fire for beginners. We will be using our flint, a guitar pick, and also these cotton balls that I mix Vaseline with. It's called fireball starters. Stay tuned. Start with the flint. Now this flint basically is magnesium and it's got a striker here, so I'm going to show you here. Every time I strike, see how it starts some sparks. But this magnesium is very flammable, so what you want to do is you always have a little a scraper here. You just want to scrape enough magnesium to get started, and that's where I've seen a lot of people having difficulties. They don't even scrape some of the magnesium to get started. So this is how it's done. We're going to go ahead and just scrape off, make a little mound. So you have enough here. I'm going to gather this together, put it in one central location, and watch what happens. So now we're going to flip it around to our striker where it creates the sparks, and watch this. There you got enough fire to get started. So that's one way, is making sure you scrape enough of the magnesium. So what we got next is these fireball starters that I created. Really easy to do, guys. You take a cotton ball and then you kind of like dunk it into some Vaseline, and you can see how just that little ball alone, it will be able to create a fire, because cotton is one of the best tools to make fire. Now watch what's going to happen here. We're going to use our striker. We didn't put any magnesium at all, and watch what happens. See how quick that was? And then that'll burn for quite a while. You can put your sticks on there, your kindling, in order to get your fire going. So that's how easy that was, these cotton balls, in order to get a fire started. Do me a favor, please give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it, because then this tells me that you like what you're seeing. So I'm going to show you how I make my own fire starter balls. And so you're going to need is a small tub of Vaseline. Trust me, you want a small one, because once you dunk in your cotton ball in there, it's gonna be very hairy. And then some cotton balls. I have 3, and also that little tub that they used to use for 35mm films, and it's got a seal on here. And you also want to label it, like I put 3 fireball starters. So what we do is we're going to open this up, and a tissue to wipe off your hands. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, and then what you do is you take a cotton ball, and then you're just going to dunk it in here once. I'm going to turn it around twice, then kind of rubbing it. Now that I have that solution, I'm just going to go ahead and just stick it in there just like that. And so we want to do all 3. And just turn it. Make sure you got enough Vaseline on it. You don't want to put too much, but just enough. As you can see, it's kind of hard to get out of there. And then just push it right in. And then you take another one. Now if you can fit a 4th one, sometimes I do put a 4th one in there. And so this is going to be enough to start a fire, and it'll burn for quite a while, enough time for you to get your fire started. And then you just seal it, and voila, now you have your own starter kit. Now if you don't want to take the time, it gets kind of messy. I need to put this away here. That's where this tissue comes about. If you don't want to create your own, then the link below, I do have some where you can buy your own fire starter balls. They have different types, so I went ahead and set you up in the link so you don't have to search all the way around for it. But please be careful. Watch the signs that the states have put out of where to start a fire if you're doing a fire pit, because some areas it's real easy to you have no idea. If you never experienced a fire getting started in the woods, it starts very quickly, and if you guys are not prepared, don't have the extinguisher or the right mind, it can get out of hand. So please be very responsible when it comes starting a fire, because it's no joke. So listen to the laws of the land, and if they say no fire, then don't do it. When you can start a fire, still follow the precautions. Make sure that nothing's around you that can catch on fire. Just be responsible. This was a commercial in the 80s. It only takes a careless moment to turn this into this. Don't let forest fire be your fault. Make sure your fire is completely out. Remember, only you can prevent forest fires. This here is an arc lighter where it uses a USB. It has a flexible neck, so like that you can even light candles if you want without getting burned. It's got a little safety door here so children can open it up as easy. You see the LED lights, and it's got the button where you can start it, and you can see the arc that it lights up there to get started. So this is another way to start a fire. Another way to start a fire would be is this guitar pick. How is it possible that a guitar pick can help you? Well, this guitar pick is made out of celluloid, which is very flammable. So this is what you want to do. You take your trusty knife, and then you go ahead, and what you want to do is just kind of cut a little bit, just to kind of create a little bit of almost like creating a little bit of shavings. And be careful not to cut your hands. And so we're going to go ahead and do it this way also. So if you created, I don't know if you can see it. So if you created a little bit of these shavings here, and that's how easy it is to get started. Oh, it's kind of windy here. Let's see. A little bit windy here, so let me see here if we can. This has a little safety that after 7 seconds it'll shut off. It's a little safety procedure. So we're gonna go right here and start it. There's a fire. Then we can go ahead and put our kindling on there. This wind. Are you kidding me? So that's another way, guys. Obviously, you got to watch the wind in order to get your fire started. So I threw in a bonus on how to start a fire with this arc lighter, but now you have 4 ways. You got the cotton balls that you can take Vaseline and just kind of rub it in and put it in a tube like this. And then this tube you can get at Amazon with no problem. These are the tubes for your 35mm camera films that you can put it in. They have a rubber seal. Then you have your magnesium striker and also your guitar pick. So with the combination of all 4, you should be able to start a fire. So it's okay to be redundant and have these throughout your bag, or even carry these in your vehicle and all that, because it's a way to start a fire. And having a fire will keep you warm. It can also feed you. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If this is your first time to my channel, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and in the comments tell us what other ways would you start a fire. Now for the giveaway, if you're one of my subscribers, we want to thank you for supporting our channel, and please make sure that you watch the whole video through. And what you want to do is in the comments below, let us know what you thought of the video. Also tell us from what state you're from. This is only for United States subscribers only. And then on July 31st, 2021 will be the cutoff date. I will go ahead and put your name in the pool and go ahead and select a few winners, and we will actually ship the items for free for you guys, where you guys can have, we're giving away, again, one of these arc lighters. We're giving away some of these cotton balls with Vaseline already done, and we're also giving away a striker to one of our subscribers. So there's a few items that we're giving away. Just as a reminder, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget these other videos that you would like also. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.